Hello guys, welcome to my channel How to Fix Heavy Games Login Problem. This is the basic problem step by step follow to solve your okay. Then go to the first step you will click to search bar, search the Heavy Games, then you will get run as administrator get to click to open to get see the login but not login so you will click to close okay. Then I am already said login then I will get to open it. Okay. Then go to the next step. This is a not login to you will click to the search bar, search the task manager, then click to open, then see the Epic Games Launcher, then right click to end task. Okay. Then any applications for the Epic Games Launcher, so you will right click to end task. Okay. Then not showing. After go to the next step for you will click to the search bar, search the run, then click to open. Then you will see the hash, local app data hash. Then you will click to enter to click to OK. Then see the Epic Games Launcher. You will right click to delete. Okay. Then delete it to same type your Epic Games. Then right click to delete. Then you will see the not login. Then you will see the any one showing the folder, then you will click to delete. But this is a APKs launcher folder is showing to you any one APKs launcher file you will click to delete. Okay. Then go to the next step or you will click to the search bar, search the control panel or settings. Anyone you will choose to get open it to get uninstall the APKs launcher. Then I will log again to category, then click to the uninstall your program. Then see the APK Games Launcher, APK Online Services, then right click to uninstall, okay? Then same type APX Online Service, then same type uninstall. Then go to the uninstall it to you will go to the any Chrome browser, get to open it to you will search the Epic Games launch Epic Games Launcher download. Then see the official website, then click to download, then download to get a okay. Get download to you will see then same tab you will right click to run as administrator to get open to install, then get login to this problem is solved. Okay. Then this is the older version to this is the not login. Then you will see the download the update version, then you will any problem to get solved. Okay. Then thank you for watching.